In this video I will describe you Windows 11 Dev version, OS built 25262 and what is new features of this version of Windows 11. See Windows 11 25262 version notify me to restart computer. Restart your computer. See Windows 11 25262 version installed in my computer. What is the new features this version of Windows 11? In this build come with change for widgets and a good set of bug fixes for insiders, update to media player with a small improvement for video folders, screen recording and snipping tool begins rolling out to Windows insiders, known issue and many more. That's it, enjoy. Thanks for watching this video. See my recent videos clicking here. Like, comment, subscribe my channel and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.